virus.
The virus!
A virus? I hope we don't catch it. What can we do to stay safe? Good question. Don't let anybody cough in your face and get away from people if they cough. Second is food. You have to keep your food safe. Third is insects. Get away from the insects. You get sick from mosquitoes, so cover up with bug spray. Fourth, pets. Make sure you keep your pets safe in the house. And fifth thing, people. Don't get close by a people that is sick, because you will get sick too. Do we have to wear all of these things to stay safe from the virus? Do we? No, we don't have to. It's too much. So let's take these off. What do we do then? We don't have to have the masks. Just don't let anybody cough in your face. But what do I have to cough? Good question. If you have to cough, cough in your elbow, like this. But never in anybody's face. Only in your face. At the side of the stick. Kaylee, we don't need gloves because you can wash your hands. Wash your hands every time you come in any house. Anytime you touch anything. You have to wash your hands for 30 seconds or more. How can I remember how to wash my hands 30 seconds? Well, that's the count to 30. Then you say the ABC. Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It doesn't matter what soap you use, because the soap that I'm using is this one. Say your ABC while you wash your hands like me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Swimming soaps are best. The more bubbles, the better. You want to get a lot of bubbles on your hands and say the ABCs. Remember that. Wash in the middle of your fingers. Wash your hands before you eat, and wash your hands before you come in the house. Remember, when you're outside, try to stay 3 to 6 feet away from other people. This whole stick is 3 feet long. That means you need to stay 2 sticks away. The most important thing is to not panic and listen to your